Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another edition of Humanity First International News Update. In our last bulletin, we briefly shed light on the work that HF was doing around the world since the pandemic began. Unfortunately, coronavirus continues to spread globally and remains a threat to the world as we know it. In these trying times, Humanity First has been active in assisting healthcare facilities by providing prevention and medical supplies. Up until now, we have supported 112 hospitals worldwide. Similarly, through blood drives, 2,133 units of blood has been donated. We are also providing hot meals and food ration packs. Over 7.2 million meals have been distributed. In our previous report, we informed you that Humanity First was assisting the affectees of 66 countries. This week, we are pleased to inform you that we have started relief work in 2 more countries, Mexico as well as Cambodia. And now, relief work is being done from one end of the world to the other. We start today with a short report from South America, where in Brazil, our team of volunteers have been distributing face masks and hand sanitizers to the locals. Let's watch a brief report courtesy of MTN News.
The COVID-19 pandemic has brought the world to its knees. During these challenging times, Humanity First Brazil set up a 4-day camp in the city of Petropolis to help its fellow citizens. Humanity First team members stood for hours distributing face masks and providing hand sanitizers to passers-by. Thousands of people benefited from the handouts and expressed their gratitude, saying that this is the true manifestation of your motto of love for all, hatred for none. The city's mayor and health secretary thanked respected Tahir Nadim Sahib, President Humanity First Brazil, for his efforts. A local newspaper reported on the good works of Humanity First Brazil.
Now let's go to Africa, where in Nigeria, Humanity First is at the forefront in providing aid and assistance to the locals.
Wherever people are facing material suffering and deprivation of any kind, Humanity First should seek to be at the forefront of providing aid and assistance.
Just distributed our food package to this lady here who recently just became a widow. Unfortunately, she just lost her husband, so she has five children, which she has to look after. And with this coronavirus situation, she is really struggling to feed her children.
May God bless the people.
We really appreciate this organization did to us.
That is Humanity First.
Humanity First Nigeria Serving Mankind.
So we thank God for your help, for your assistance. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So we've just arrived at the village now. So we're at the moment just explaining to the people how we're going to do the distribution, make sure it's a safe environment for everyone.
Majority of Nigerians, particularly in this part of the country, they are in need. I commend the Humanity First for this gesture, and I pray that Allah will continue to help them to be able to continue to help the needy.
Thank God for everything, and we thank God for the Jamaat.
Alhamdulillah for this opportunity, and Jazakumullah to all of those who sacrificed. something for these people, and you can see here it's made change their lives for the better.
Welcome back. Now, before we travel to other parts of the world, just wanted to let you know that if you're interested in knowing more about our humanitarian work, please subscribe to our channel so that you can receive direct notifications whenever we share a new video. Coming back to the coronavirus. As we know that in order to prevent the rapid spread of this disease, many countries worldwide went into lockdown. Schools were closed and children were confined to their homes. To tackle this issue, many schools introduced online learning. However, there were those who could not afford a laptop, a PC, or a tablet in order to participate in these online classes. One such place was a town in Kosovo in Southeast Europe. Humanity First distributed tablets to deserving students. Let's watch a brief report.
Shkaku I pandemisë komunën e Kamenicës, përveç problemeve tjera, një prej sfidave më të mëdha ka qenë se si një numër I nxënësve, veçanërisht në zonat malësisë, po edhe nuk I kanë pas kushtet, nuk I kanë pas pajisjet e nevojshme për me ndjek mësimin online që është organizuar në Kosovë. E një prej ndihmave ma me vlerë edhe ma me peshë për ne është kontributi I organizatës Humanity First nga Gjermania që na ka furnizuar me 23 tablet për të cilët kemi me ju ofru nxënësa për me mujtë me ndjek mësimin e obligueshëm që është një prej drejtave themelore elementare për fëmijët. E falenderojmë organizatën Humanity First për këtë ndihmë prej 23 tabletëve që na ka dhënë për nxënësit e komunës Kamenicës.
And last but not the least, let's travel to the Far East. Our team in Indonesia has been active since the pandemic began. We now present to you a report from MTA News highlighting the relief activities in Indonesia.
Still in the framework of preventing the spread of coronavirus, this time Humanity First helped the hospital and the community health center. On Monday, May 4, 2020, Humanity First Indonesia provided personal protective equipment for doctors and nurses. This activity was carried out with Ahmadiyya Youth in Markaz, community organizations, and journalist forums. They provided personal protective equipment to 3 hospitals and 10 community health centers in North Bogor district.
Kami, Yayasan Satu Keadilan dan Forum Kebangsaan Bogor Raya itu dihubungi oleh Humanity First, ya, satu sayap organisasi dari Jemaah Ahmadiyah yang melayani kemanusiaan. Mereka meminta kita untuk bisa mendistribusikan di wilayah Kabupaten Bogor ini alat pelindung diri untuk tenaga dokter dan tenaga medis yang menjadi front terdepan yang membela masyarakat saat ini untuk mencegah, melayani dan mengobati pasien yang terpapar oleh COVID-19.
This concludes our today's program. Thank you for watching our news update, or as they say in Indonesia, terima kasih. Until next time, Assalamualaikum.